welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Locket widget sizes or layout bug after iOS update. If your Locket widget suddenly looks wrong, overlaps icons, or does not resize properly after updating iOS, here's how to fix it step by step. After an iOS update, widgets can temporarily misalign. Press and hold the power plus volume button, slide power off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This alone often clears out any layout glitches. Next, what you're gonna do is long press and the Locket widget and then click the remove widget. Again, long press and tap the add widget, edit and add widgets option, and then add your widget again. This refreshes widget layout to the new iOS settings. After that, long press the widget, tap edit, make sure the correct friend list is there and display settings are selected. Sometimes iOS updates reset widget configuration. Next, open the App Store and then search for Locket widget and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes issues like this often happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it clears all the bug fixes and errors. And then at the last, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your settings and then search for Safari to clear Safari cookies, and then scroll down and click on the hide clear history and widget website data, and then click clear history, then confirm. Locket uses Safari background sessions, and clearing this can help fix lingering layout glitches. Privacy tip: avoid installing modified or unofficial versions of Locket to fix layout issues. Only the official app supports iOS widget updates properly. Quick fix: if the layout still won't snap into place, what you're gonna do is remove all the Locket widgets, restart your iPhone, then add them back. Toggle dark mode / light mode to force the UI refresh. Log out and back into your account or reinstall the app. Your photos and friends are tied to your number, so nothing will be lost. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.